mystery box. We have a rose cutie. We have 15 infusible ink pens here, the 0.4 tip pens, and here we have the 0.4 tip watercolor splash pens. You get 20 infusible ink pens in this mystery box. There is a link in the description. I do get a small commission when you use that link. You get true yellow. There's 2 sheets inside here. You get 2 packets of tropical floral. So you get this beautiful one. Whenever this is used, everyone goes crazy over this one. And then it also has a blue in it. And then you get rose pink, 2 sheets of this. Cosmic, it has the blue and the black with those fun dots on it. Wildflowers, you get 1 of each. So you get the blue, you get the flowered, you get that red pattern flower, and this yellow color. You get River's Edge. This one looks so cool on coasters. I love this pattern. You get Distressed Rustic, so you get 1 of each of these colors in here. These are awesome. This one looks like wood. You get 2 sheets of lilac, and this packet has 4 sheets of animal print. So you have the blue, you have this cheetah one, the zebra one, and this is kind of like a rainbow color. See, it goes from blue to green, and then you get this purple one. So you get all of this in the mystery box. You get free shipping, and you must have Cricut access in order to get this box. If you want this rose cutie, this is not a brand new cutie. This is a cutie that has been released before. It's the rose cutie. You must have access in order to purchase this box. Access will give you 10% off this box and free shipping. If you have premium access, you'll get 20% off this box and free shipping. My code Cutie does not work on this box. But if you add more to your cart, you can use my code Cutie. It will take 10% off everything else you put in your cart, except for things that plug in. If you want to be one of the first to learn about the Cricut mystery boxes, make sure you sign up for my email. It is in the description below. I do send out an email every time there is a Cricut mystery box. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if this is one of the boxes that you like or dislike. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks Cricut for sending me this box. It helps me show everybody else what's in this box.